Hello my friends, welcome to Talk to Me Tuesday for Tuesday, April 6, 2021. This is Jennifer. Just a quick explanation of this intro. I totally messed it up the first time I recorded, and this is my bathroom. I have a couple of really quick things to show you, and then I have some me from last week to share something really special. First, I want to say thank you to Jeannie who sent me these awesome butterflies. They are actually for my yard. You guys know I've been talking a lot about my garden and my yard and all of our plants that died. So she sent me some color. I've already put probably a third of these out in my yard, and there are still plenty of them left. I gave a few to my daughter. I'm probably going to put some in the front, and I just wanted to share them with you guys before I put the rest of them outside. My primary crafting for the last week has been quilting for Linus. I did 3 larger quilts, and then I did 5 smaller quilts. None of them were mine. I guess I can show you one little one. We received a large donation of quilt tops that were all made of just squares, and by large donation I mean like almost 90. I have just been quilting them and I have the chance. I got this one quilted and bound. That's 2 quilted and bound, and then I have 3 more that are quilted. So those are fun, and I'm just gonna do them as I have the chance. I did a little tiny bit of sewing. I did get my husband's chair finished. I mentioned to you guys last week I was gonna put binding on his camp chair because the binding that was on it previously had dry rotted away. I took all of that off. And then I put new binding on, and hopefully you're looking at that right now because I did take a little video footage. And I think the company I bought the webbing from was called Strapworks. I just Googled until I found like what I wanted, and it was something like 15 cents a foot. And I think I ordered 40 feet because I did the math and decided I probably needed about 30 feet, and I ordered a 10 extra just in case. And I think I had about 8 left over because there was a piece that I missed during my calculation. So I was glad I ordered extra. I did use indoor-outdoor upholstery thread on that to make sure that it was strong enough. He's very happy with it. I'm happy with it. It probably took me a total of about an hour and a half to do the whole thing. So it was definitely a project well worth doing, and I do like to repair things whenever I can instead of replacing them because it just makes sense. Hello my friends, I'm coming to you from the past to talk to you about Jordan's Love Notes. This gorgeous quilt was made in collaboration. The quilt top was made by my best friend Jules. It was quilted by Jennifer Rolls. It was bound by me. The back and batting were donated by our friend Mary. Each one of these green envelopes is an actual 3-dimensional pocket. And the contents of these pockets came from Jules, Amber, me, Alia, Mary, Kat, Vicky, Sarah, and Michelle, with a little extra from Jeannie. And the reason for this massive collaboration is that we have a friend, her name is Jordan. She did Talk to Me Tuesday for years and years and years. She hasn't been around for a while, but we're all still friends. And she is going through a very serious illness and treatment for that illness. And we, as a group, have a tendency to want to do something for each other when someone is in our group that we care about is going through something. So it was actually Jules's idea. We were talking and I was kind of brainstorming, and then she goes, I have an idea. She had made this quilt top as part of a mystery quilt along for Project Linus, I believe last year. And she's like, I have this top. It's finished. It's perfect. It has notes on it, musical notes. Jordan is very musical. And it's got all these beautiful colors. It's got hearts. It's got happiness. And the original pattern, I believe, is called Lucy's Love Notes. We renamed it to Jordan's Love Notes. And it is from us, the Talk to Me Tuesday family, to Jordan. And once again, the top was made by Jules, quilted by Jennifer Rolls, also known as Playful Piecing. She is a professional long arm quilter if you guys need something done. She does beautiful work. Binding done by me, backing and batting were donated by Mary. Oh, and the label, I made the label, and our own Sarah from Austin hand sewed the label on for us. So true collaboration, and if you're seeing this, Jordan has already received the quilt. So other than that, I do have a tiny bit of news. Everyone in my house is getting vaccinated this week. We're all on different days, different times, but we're all getting our first vaccine this week. My daughter is getting vaccinated through work, so that means I get to have maskless, full-on hugs in the next, month and a half, and I I could not be more excited about that specifically because you guys know that I have really good relationships with my kids and I love them so much, and I am just like, I'm dying for that hug. There are a lot of people that I miss so much who are already vaccinated or are getting vaccinated right now. And I am delighted that I will be able to see my friends who are ready to see people. It's been a long time. I miss traveling. I miss hugging people. I miss so much, and it gives me hope for us having Linus again before too long. I mean, I don't have a date on that. It's not an official board member position. I'm hoping we can all get back together pretty soon. So that is going to be it for me. You guys have a wonderful week. Have a crafty week, and hopefully next week I will have something fun and quilty to show you because I do have some things in progress. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.